Suppose if you are using calculator app in your Windows computer, and if you are typing something, then you can see that in the standard mode view, so we can see that this is the history. Everything comes in this history section. And suppose if you want to delete this history using a keyboard shortcut, then there is a method for deleting the history in this calculator mode. You can simply go to your computer keyboard, and this is the control key, this is the shift key, and this is the D key. So if you press this control key, shift key, and D key, these three keys at the same time, so you can see that this is the history. And if you press these three keys, that is control key, shift key, and D key at the same time, then you can see that the history is empty now. There is no history yet. For more you can subscribe. Thank you.